Good morning, everyone. So, last night it snowed here in Vancouver. I don't know if you can really see, but yeah, it's white all over because it snowed last night, but it's melting now because it's sunny and it's not that cold. And also, that was just a weird thing that happened, like all of a sudden. And I think it's because it was really cold the past few days, and it has been really cold in other provinces, so we were surely going to get snow. It's really messy here at our house. Yeah, super messy everywhere, and I'm still working. I just wanted to show you everyone the snow before it melts, because I'm pretty sure that by this afternoon it's going to be melted because the sun is shining so bright and there are no clouds in the sky. So yeah, we still have to throw those out. I don't know, I've just been lazy. We've just been lazy, like it's so messy everywhere. Even the bedroom is so messy. So yeah.
Hello guys! Kim's driving and papunta kami ngayon sa dentist. Pero bago kami pupunta ng dentist, may pinick up kami na ano daw yun? May pinick up kami na donut sa Mochido. Tama ba? Tignan natin yung loob. Ayan guys. Ito yung loob. Sabi dito, all you need is love and mochi donuts. Wow! Hello.
Hi.
Nagpapagas tayo ngayon guys.
Gas is $1.76.
Medyo mahal. Sa ibang station nakita namin $1.79.
I just preset $50. So that's all our budget for gas. That's okay because on the weekend we're not going out. I work on Saturday, and then maybe we're gonna have dinner on Saturday with Ate Chikay.
Huh?
She messaged.
Oh, I didn't know. Okay. Yeah. Continue lang namin tong pag-gas, guys.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Quick Bite. Wala silang sign or anything, pero this is Quick Bite. They have all of these things, and it's pretty good. It's also like a mini Filipino store inside, so let's go inside.
Wala silang
They don't?
ako na ano.
Not. Ayan. Uy, oh, may ano sila? Steamer.
Inalam ko kung paano gawin to.
Ako din. Dati nagbebenta kami nito. So, dati nagbebenta kami nito nila mami sa Philippines. Pinipick up namin. Hindi ko alam kung lilis yun. Pero pinipick up namin sa sa gawaan. Tapos binibenta ni mami sa sa ospital.
Talaga?
Oo.
Galing.
Nandito kami kasi pumili kami ng Shanghai. Pero ngayon pa lang nagluluto si ate. Pero okay lang. Titingin-tingin muna tayo dito. Ma'am, ito ba yung binibili mo? Ayan, si ate.
Hindi tayo pwedeng magkarito. Instead, mag-hard-boiled egg tayo.
Oh, J-Rowa. May concert pala to dito.
Sino ba yan?
J-Rowa. Tagay.
Oh, event to.
Ha? Yung sa, sa biyahe. Ito yung pool namin, oh. Hi! It's us!
Makakaligo ba si Mia? Oo naman.
Makakaligo si Mia. Confirmed. Confirmed. Okay, we're gonna eat now. So this is what we bought from Quick Bite, that Filipino store that we were just at. We also bought chicken skin and the leftover adobo from yesterday. And we bought rice because we haven't cooked rice yet. Still cooking. And the machito that we bought earlier. And so we're gonna try that after we eat, for snacks or for dessert. And yeah, so we're gonna eat now. So I was late kanina sa dentist appointment ko, and then I was late because of this, because it was so traffic. And then when I got there, it was over in like 10 minutes. Not even 20 minutes. Like literally 10 minutes. 10 whole minutes. But okay, we're gonna try this one. This one is sesame. This one is cinnamon. This one is I forgot. This one is ube, and then this one is sugar coated, and then that's the original. This is like a mochi donut, and it's also $17 for 6 pieces. Kind of pricey.
Siya nga pala, may kukwento lang ako. Kasi, nung Sunday na nag-work si Kim, andito lang ako sa bahay. Mag-isa lang ako. Biglang nag-emergency alarm. Yung...
Paano yung alarm?
Basta nagbi-beep.
Paano yung beep?
Shoot ako. So, akala ko baka nag-alarm testing lang kasi once a month or twice a month nag-alarm testing sila. Pero mga ilang minutes lang na magbi-beep yung alarm, may magsasabi na alarm testing lang. Pero yung time na yon, sabi ko, parang 5 minutes na nag-a-alarm. Tapos naririnig ko na yung mga tao, yung mga kapitbahay namin na nagbubukas na ng pinto. And then, yung emergency stairs din namin, yung stairs kung saan pwedeng daan for emergency, nakabukas na. So, message ko yung namin. Landlord namin. Tinanong ko, so...
Si Sam. Hi, Sam.
Hi,
if you're
Sam.
watching this, hi, Sam.
Yeah, so sabi ko, hey, Sam, so, nag-a-alarm. Tapos, sabi ko, hindi naman nagsastop. Sabi niya, okay, maybe you should go to the lobby na take your coat and then your mga important documents or your and then your keys, bumaba ka na din. Make sure to lock your unit. Sabi ko,
Did you call him? Or
no,
text?
I just texted him, but he's very super fast mag-reply yung landlord namin. Like, wala pang
He's the
seconds.
best. He's the best.
Totoo.
He's not actually your landlord. He's a property manager.
The property manager. And then, nung pagkababa ko, guys, my God, ang dami ng tao. Tapos, may 2 fire truck na mag-insert kami ng clip dito para makita nyo yung situation sa baba. And, yun. Pagkababa ko, sabi naman, all clear naman daw. Kaya nagbalikan na kami sa taas. Kasi, I think may na-trigger lang talaga na fire alarm. Kasi sabi nila, yung mga ibang units daw sa taas ng building, medyo sensitive daw. Tapos, siguro hindi nila na-off yung fire alarm. Kaya nag-detect ng emergencies.
True.
Hi guys. So, it's crazy. Kanina, biglang nag-alarm yung ano namin, ito. Yung speakers, ang tagal niya mag-alarm kasi I don't know, baka may fire alarm or emergency na nangyayari sa building namin. But bumaba na ako kasi sabi ng landlord namin, siguro go to the lobby na kasi naririnig ko na din yung mga kapitbahay namin na nagsisilabasan and tumakbo na ako. And then pag dating ko dun sa lobby, ang dami ng tao. So ako lang mag-isa kasi nasa work si Kim, 'di ba? So bumaba na ako. And then, ang daming tao. Munti ko nakalimutan yung mask ko. And then, naka-shorts lang ako. Pagbaba ako doon, may mga firefighters na, may fire trucks. And then, yung mga tao andun na sa lobby. Papakita ko yung konting clip dito guys na andun yung mga firefighters and yung mga tao sa lobby. Bit-bit nila yung mga anak nila, yung pets nila. And yeah, mag-uusap tayo about mga emergency later. Okay guys.
Nga pala yung nakikita nyo dyan na ayang parang square. I put plastic on here. I forgot what it's called. It's like a window insulator in the plastic. It helps with the wind or the cold wind draft. So in the winter, stays hot in here. And in the summer, it stays cool in here. And then, yung spot na yan, nag-melt siya. Kasi when you apply it, you have to blow dry it. And then I blow dried that area too close, and then it like melted. So I just put tapal on it. It looks really ugly on the camera. That's why I bring it up. Yeah. And then yun, let's see if you can see it. That's the incense and our candle. So ito yung wax warmer. We got that from my friend Shirley. She makes the wax and all of the scents. So she gave us that one for Christmas. And then this is what we bought at New Westminster the other day. And then this is just from IKEA. We just use it to light this up. But yeah. So
kasi nagpanic din ako ng onti nun. Pero, isa sa hindi ko nakalimutan talaga nung pababa na ako or nagre-ready na ako na bumaba was yung go bag namin. Meron kami laging go bag ni Kim in case of emergency. And kung gusto nyo malaman kung anong go bag namin, dati nilalagyan ko yun ng mga emergency food, pero na-notice ko medyo hindi ko na napapalitan. Pero yung importante lang talaga sa go bag na yun is yung mga documents namin ni Kim. Yung mga importanteng documents namin nakalagay doon. And then dati may nakalagay din yun na maliliit na tubig, pero tinanggal ko na din kasi parang 2 years ago pa naman yun, so hindi ko na sinali. Basta importante lang yung mga documents namin. Although may scanned copies naman kami, pero syempre iba pa rin yun na ma-save mo. Importante yung mga ganun, di ba?